Hey everyone, imagine you're driving, and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears or refuses to move smoothly. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0947. This code is linked to the hydraulic pump relay, which is crucial for maintaining proper transmission fluid pressure. If it fails, you may experience hard shifting, loss of acceleration, or even limp mode. In this video, I'll break down what P0947 means, where the key components are located and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0947? DTC P0947 stands for Hydraulic Pump Relay Circuit Low. This means that the relay responsible for controlling the transmission hydraulic pump is not functioning properly, leading to low fluid pressure and shifting problems. Common symptoms of P0947. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping or failure to shift, check engine light or transmission warning light, loss of power or acceleration issues, limp mode, stuck in one gear, sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0947, you need to locate these key components. Hydraulic pump relay location, usually found in the underhood fuse box, power distribution center, or near the transmission control module, TCM. Function: controls power supply to the hydraulic pump, ensuring proper fluid pressure. Hydraulic pump, motor location, typically located on the side of the transmission case or inside the valve body assembly. Function: transmission control module, TCM, location, mounted near the engine bay, under the dashboard or near the battery. Function: regulates relay function and hydraulic pressure management. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, location, found on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function: what causes P0947? Here are the most common causes of this code. 1. Faulty hydraulic pump relay, not engaging properly. 2. Blown fuse or wiring issue, damaged connections in the power circuit. 3. Defective hydraulic pump motor, not generating proper fluid pressure. 4. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, failing to activate the relay. 5. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing improper hydraulic function. How to fix P0947. Step 1. Check the hydraulic pump relay. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Step 3. Test the hydraulic pump motor. Step 4. Check the transmission control module, TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive final words. If you see P0947, your hydraulic pump relay is malfunctioning, leading to low transmission pressure and shifting issues. Ignoring it can result in serious transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0760 shift solenoid C malfunction, P0761, P0761 shift solenoid C performance or stuck off. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.